of the world. This is Eric and his trusted canines, Nero and Julius. Looking forward to listening to DJ Tommy on 89.5 FM radio, Subic Bay. If you're not listening, you're stupid. But not as stupid as a fat, dumb American. R-O-C-K 89.5 rocks.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check the time. It's now 12:10 in the noontime. The time check brought to you by Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport Branch and Dinalupihan Branch in Lincoln Heights Subdivision. Alright? If you want the best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers, plus also they offer buy one take one burgers, sandwiches, be extra with the add-ons. Ikaw masusunod. Anong gusto mo ilagay sa burger mo, ha? And the combo meal, also the French fries with the different flavors to choose from. Visit their official Facebook page to check out the official menu, okay? And they also deliver, all right, for the Dinalupihan Branch, Lincoln Heights Subdivision Branch, 0927-950-8775. And for the Subic Bay Freeport Branch, 0927-895-9714. Okay, Wawas Jr., Subic Bay Freeport and Lincoln Heights, the best tasting flame grilled quarter pounder burgers. All right. And right about now, we have another batch of visitors here from LaSalle College of Antipolo. Yay! Ooh, all right. And yung bus na sinasakyan nyo, first half lang to, no? May other half pa. Yan, okay. Nandiyan sila sa bus? Okay, maingay ha. Paglabas nyo, huwag yung sabihin live. Sabihin nyo, recording lang yung kausap namin. It's a recording. Okay, so kamusta biyahe nyo? Ayos ba?
Tayo, pagod. Naging karaoke lang.
Pwedeng may sumagot pa isa-isa. Gamitin yung mic kasi promise hindi marinig sa ere. Ayan. Yun.
Yung biyahe po namin sobrang layo. Tapos, kailangan alas 2 gising ka na dahil ang call time po namin alas 4. Tapos, umalis po kami bago pa mag alas 5. Ayun po, sobrang nakakahilo po pag walang tulog.
Ayan po si... Anong pangalan mo, ate? Balik mo yung mic. Huwag mo ilalagay ko yan.
Ang pangalan ko po is Shania Maris Bicascon. SSGG Nia sa Instagram. Follow niyo ako doon.
Okay, ayan. Siya po yung nag-describe ng biyahe nila na may kasamang complaint. Paki-file yung complaint. Isulat mo yung pangalan, address, signature, and bring your own drop box.
Ay, sige po.
Ayan. Kamustahin naman natin ang LaSalle College of Antipolo. Kamusta yung school nyo? Ayos ba? Ayos. It's doing fine. And LaSalle College of Antipolo has been around since how many years now?
100
39 years. Oh, tagal na, no? Oh, 39 years. Okay. So, nag-39 siya this year lang? Oh.
Yes, January.
Okay. All right. So, you guys celebrated probably na yung inyong foundation anniversary. Yeah. Okay. So, you're all in grade 12. Am I right? Meaning graduating, hopefully. Hindi, graduating lang. Graduating talaga. Kailan ito kung gagraduate na kayo?
May 25.
May 25. Wow. This month na pala, no? Oh. Hindi na-aabuti ng June. Pag graduate kayo, malulungkot ba kayo?
Opo. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang? Bakit sakto lang? Would you like to elaborate further? Bakit sakto lang? Sino yung malulungkot pag graduate na? Sige ate, sige. Taas mo, pwede mo itaas yan.
Syempre po malulungkot kami kasi mamimiss namin yung section. Mamimiss din po namin yung school. Pero syempre, masaya po kasi gagraduate na. So, moving on to the next chapter of our life.
Walang iyak. Walang iyak.
Tapos, tandang-tanda mo po ba nung una kang pumasok sa school and
ngayon natin pa ako ni Mami at Daddy.
Tapos sabi mo kay Mami at Daddy, huwag na kayong babalik, dito na ako. Diyos. Okay. So, yung school nyo, anong atmosphere pag nandun ka sa school? Masaya ba? Or anong aura? Anong aura? Nasa mountain.
Nasa bundok po ang LaSalle Antipolo.
Anong atmosphere?
Yun po, mahangin sa... Kasi mataas po siya. So, kapag papasok ka sa school, talagang mapapahike ka muna.
Yun. Kamusta ang atmosphere? Kamusta ang aura? Mataas po siya. So, elevated, no? Nasa, ano ba, mountain or hill? Alam niyo naman yung difference sa mountain or hill, no? As in, mountain talaga.
Yes, opo.
So, pagpapasok, paakyat.
Yes.
Pauwi, paakyat pa rin. Bahala na kung paano uuwi yun. akyat lang ng akyat. So parang ano no, ang motto nyo, the only way is up. Oh yes ate, kakanta ka ba? Kasi ang humahawak lang ng portable mic, yung kakanta. Oh, sige, give us a few lines. Sige, kahit 1 or 2 lines lang. Sige, go ahead. Sige, go. Go. Kahit just a short line lang, pero 48 songs. Sige nga. Ano munang pangalan mo?
Laidal Rutas po.
Ayan, siya yung the songer of the group, tama ba? Laidal?
Laidel po.
Laidel.
Yes.
Okay, Laidel. Sige nga, Laidel, pakinggan nga natin.
Some things never change, like the feel of your hand in mine. Some things stay the same, like how we get along just fine, like an old stone wall that'll never fall. Some things are always true, some things never change, like how I'm holding on tight to you.
The song is called?
Some Things Never Change po
From-
sa Frozen 2 po.
Yun. Kaya pala nag-text dito, sabi nga, DJ Tommy G, sino yung kumakanta? Anong pangalan niya? Nagmamahal Disney Channel. Si Laidel. Yan. Galing ha? Talagang ano ka? Nasa in a choir group or
Hobby ko lang po magkanta.
hobby mong kumanta?
Apo, tapos nagbo-volunteer po ako sa choir sa school po namin every first Friday of the month.
Oh, that's nice. Wow. All right. Okay. So you guys have your chapel inside the school, no?
Yes po.
Okay. Doon yung sinasabi mo na
Actually sa
or
gym
somewhere
po
else?
kami nagmamas kasi marami pong students.
Yun, kinukulang yung ano, no, yung jato. Kinailangan gym, buti na lang may gym na malaki. Tapos may football field din na malaki. No?
Yes.
Yan daw yung basihan pag malaki ang school, ang campus. Eh. Pag may, hindi, I'm not kidding. Kasi football field itself, ang laki ng kakainin na lugar. Tapos sa gabi, lahat ng bintana isasara. Baka pumasok yung buwan. At saka mga bituin. May maghati? Pag, dahil kabilugan ng buwan, parang gano'n. Oh. Uy, mahirap yan ha. May nakita kaming ganyan dito, promise. Kaya lang ang problema sa kanya, lengthwise siya. Nahati siya lengthwise. Hindi makalipad kasi isang pako. Okay. Maraming baon tong grupo na to. Ewan ko kung tatalunin ang susunod na grupo. Okay, so where is your next stop dito sa Subic pagkatapos ng 89.5?
Safari po.
Uy, Subic Safari! Wow, masarap dyan.
Clark
Ah,
sa
Clark.
Clark po.
So that means dadaan pa kayo sa Clark?
Yes.
Ay, sayang. Sana dito. Hindi. Well, iisa lang naman yun. Pareho lang naman Safari na isa lang naman yung owner. Kaya lang the difference is sa Clark Safari kasi, 'di ba pareho lang naman silang merong night safari na ginaganap tuwing weekends. Pero yung dito meron silang special promo eh. Yung Running with the Tigers. Bahala na kung abutan promo.
Pwede po bang riding the tigers na lang?
Pwede rin. Oh. Meron pang swimming with the crocodiles.
May submarine po ba kayo dyan?
Wala.
Awan.
Gusto mo mag-submarine?
Opo, sana.
Sa Ocean Adventure meron yata. Yeah, okay. Okay. Sige kids, I'm not gonna hold you long dahil may... Ito yung mga kasama nyo sa bus?
Yes po.
Alright. Kamusta naman sila as busmate? Okay. No?
Huwag niyo po pakakantayin yung
Mag-ready na po kayo.
Mga pre, nilalaglag na kayo.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ano masabi mo sa busmates nyo? Ayan.
Thank you for everything, guys.
Sila talaga, thank you for everything. Sige. Bahala ka kahit ano.
Mga tol. Shoutout. Bawal ulol. Sabi ni Sir Police, bawal ulol dito sa Subic. Bawal maging kriminal.
Maraming CCTV all over it. For everybody's safety. Yeah? For everybody's safety naman yun. Ayan. Okay. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Sige, we're gonna call in the other half na, no? Thank you! Yeah. You made this program extra fun, ha? Okay, thank you so much. Ayan. Yes, sige. Let's do this live. Okay, ayan. Ha? Picture. Pwede bang picturean mo ako kasama sila para may proof na na tumanggap ako ng Teka, sandali Ano ba naman tong app na to? Ang daming ads. Ayan. Basahin natin. Ha? Baba natin. Ayan, okay. Tapos pwede dun konti ate para kasama. Mas marami rin.
Ay, dito.
Yan. Okay. Yung mga nakikinig dyan sa ere ngayon, huwag kayong magulo ha. Nagpipicture kami. Makinig lang kayo. Alright. Okay, thank you very much. Lasal College of Antipolo. Ayan, okay. Alright. Ito natin. Ay, ba't binabalik ko? Akin na to, no? Binabalik. Thank you, kids. Maraming salamat. Ayan, sige. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Let's bring in the... yeah, masarap dito sa Subic. Alright. Ayan, okay. So, ituloy na natin. Total, this is gonna be the... Is this gonna be our last bus, no? For the... yeah, okay. Ayan. Ito yung other half ng students na yun, yung mga nandito. Okay, so let's bring them in. Of course, our pleasure. Ayan. Ma'am Len, use the microphone. Ayan. Para kasama ka naman sa interview. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Sige, thank you. Okay, so once again, you're tuned in to 895 Subic Bay Radio. We are coming to you live from the Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? Sa mga naka-tune in, yung mga nanonood sa live video, alam nyo naman, ang 89.5 is part of the tourist destination na nowadays here at the Subic Bay Freeport. Kaya nandito yung mga tour groups natin, and they are from Lasal College of Antipolo. Yay! Ayan, nandito. Yung mga nanonood ngayon, ayan po, yung mga kaibigan natin. Pasok po kayo ng konti. Ayan. Para makapasok yun, no? Ayan, alright. Okay. So I'm gonna ask the same question. Tingnan natin kung ano yung kung same result. Lasal College of Antipolo. Grade 12, no? Lahat kayo, no? Grade 12. Yes. Graduating hopefully. Yan. Hindi, graduating lang. This May, no? Sinagot na nung nauna kanina eh. So, same question kanina. Pag graduate na kayo, ano mamimiss nyo sa school nyo? Sila. Yung naunang batch. Sila yung mamimiss nyo. The people. Hindi, yung about the school mismo. Sa school. The nature. Yeah, the nature. Ah, okay. So, within the school, there's a lot of trees and wow. Well, that's what Rizal, the province of Rizal is known for. Magubat, yeah. Earth-friendly. Yeah. Down to earth dahil galing sa taas, gumulong pababa. Eh. Kasi pataas eh. Ayan, yun din sinagot nila kanina. Uphill daw ang Lasal College. Ayan, okay. So pagpapasok pataas, no? Yes. Pauwi pataas pa rin. Bahala na paano uuwi yun, no? Baba na. Akala ko pataas pa rin. Yun yung the great mystery, eh. No? Okay, so yung school natin malaki yung campus. Malaki. So okay. So hindi siya malaki. Alright. Yung kanina may sumampol, may songer sa group nila. May songer din ba rito? O sige nga, pakinggan nga natin. Sinong songer natin dito sa grupo na to? Sige nga. Try natin. Anong pangalan? Sino? Oh, sige, grab the mic pare. Sige. MM. Oh, just a few lines lang, konting linya lang, pero mga 12 songs ganyan. Oh, sige. Go. Oh, pass the mic to table number 5. Wala. Oh, sige. Oh, yan.
Okay, all honesty.
Ha? Sino? So, all honesty, si Christoph. So, kanina was just a lie. Sige, pare ko. Sample ka. Pwede mong taas yung mic. Sige. Okay. Sige po. Pare, game na, pare.
Pinataas ako.
Taas nga, pare. Ladies and gentlemen, Christoph. MM.
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you,
ang taas.
You're gonna feel a love that's beautiful in you. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore.
Okay. So, soprano pala. Akala ko baho. Okay. So, Christoph pare, no? Christoph, talagang you're in a group or choir ng school or ano ba?
Solower lang po, solower.
Solower, ayan. Freelancer, ayan. Pero since ikaw na rin yung naging voice of the group, invite mo nga, parang commercial pare. Invite mo yung mga nakikinig kayo na mag-aral, mag-enroll sa Lasal College, parang radio commercial. Mura na, nauutang pa. Sige nga. In your own words.
Di naman po sa mura yung Lasal.
Hindi, sinampol ko lang yun. Joke lang yun. It's worth it.
Iniinganyo ko po kayo, maging Lasalan, and join the Anima Pride. Thank you.
Yun eh, no?
In 3, 1, 2, 3.
There you go. Thank you for doing that. Kayo pa lang yung group na ginawa yon. Ayos. Animo Lasal. O nga naman. Alright. So, how long, since na-mention na rin natin ang Lasal, how long has Lasal been around? Etong campus ninyo, Antipolo. 1985. Oh, so almost 40 years na, no? Next year, 40 years na. Tama ba? 39th year nyo ngayon. Nag-celebrate na ng 39th year? Yes. Oh, congratulations you guys. Wow, tagal na pala, no? Okay. Ayan. Tapos, my next question would be, kantin naman. Oh, masarap ba yung pagkain sa kantin nyo?
Fine dining po kasi.
Ikaw pala nga nagsabi no na fine dining pala ang inyong ano. Akala ko papasok na yung ano, dito na papasok yung mura na nauutang pa. Finally, pala mahal. Fine dining. Because the dining is very fine, ano pare. Okay. So what's your next stop for Subic after 89.5? Duty free. Ayan. Oh, sige. Okay. So since alam nating may next stop pa kayo, maraming salamat for dropping by. Ayan. Would you like to give a shout out? Anybody?
Shout out.
Sige, use the mic. Shout out. Sige. Shout out.
Shout out sa pamilya ko dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Pinabuhay niyo akong maayos.
Wow. Very grateful. Very grateful son. Thank you. Ayan. Sino pa?
Shout out po sa aso ko. Angel, I miss you!
Woof woof.
Shoutout po sa mga fellow Lasalans ko dyan na mag-graduate na.
Happy graduation in advance. Your graduation, guys, is on May 25, right? Sabi nga nung nauna kanina. Okay. Congratulations in advance.
Gusto ko lang rin po shoutout yung lola ko po kung nakikinig ko po. Sana kumain ka na po. Thank you.
Napakabait na apo. Sige.
Shoutout po sa sobrang ganda kong girlfriend. Shoutout kay Francine. I love you very much.
Baka nasa labas lang no?
Wala pong bus.
Okay. Ibang bus? Sinadya niya yata yun eh. De, joke lang. Okay. Thank you, Lasal College of Antipolo. Thank you. You made the program extra fun, ha? Salamat. Enjoy Subic. Masarap dito. Alright? So we will go back to the Friday Rewind requested songs. Alright? Once again, if you guys want to request for songs, all you have to do is text me up. The official text digits for this radio program, 0910-6909-501. And of course, we're playing Friday Rewind songs, the songs that you and I grew up with. Here's something now from Beluism. This one's called Animal Magic 895 Subic Bay Radio. You guys join me on that. Sige. 1, 2, 3. 895 Subic Bay Radio. 1, 2, 3. 895 Subic Bay Radio. Yeah!